Chase him.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh,
Chase him, Eric or Catherine.
Look at you.
He wants to chase you, I think.
get it.
Where'd she go? He wants to chase you, I think.
You should see.
Run.
The,
Just run away. Go get her. Go get her, Berkeley.
Berkeley.
You should see the Great Dane when they're brindle colored like that. It just goes on forever.
I will get you.
Look at his paws.
He's huge.
Let's talk about the color.
You're such a good boy.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, you're so cute.
You want to go? He's so cute. His coloring's perfect.
I think you're getting tired finally.